Hi, welcome back to Konkani Khann Anik Jevan. Please like, share, and subscribe to see more upcoming videos. I'm here today with a quick and easy recipe for mango pickle. This is my Amma's signature dish, and everyone who tasted it would love it and wouldn't leave without asking for the recipe. So, for this recipe, choose fresh and sour mangoes. Peel and chop mangoes into tiny pieces. If the mango has a thin skin, you can leave it unpeeled. Add salt and mix well and keep for some time. Roast equal quantities of mustard seeds and then methi seeds separately. Powder them together. It's a good idea to keep this in stock to use as and when needed. Now heat 2 tablespoons of gingery oil. Use this oil for best results. Do not use coconut oil for making pickles. Add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. When they splutter, add a half teaspoon of urad dal and a half teaspoon of methi. Adding urad and methi is optional. Switch off the flame and add fresh curry leaves. Now add into the hot oil a quarter teaspoon of haldi powder, a half teaspoon of hing and a generous amount of chili powder. Add more chili powder according to the sourness of the mango. It's better to make it overly spicy as the spiciness decreases over time. Mix all the spices well. Now add the mango pieces and mix well. Cover and cook on a slow flame until done. Now add 2 teaspoons of the mustard methi powder, which is called sasma pitto. Mix well and cook for another 2 minutes. Now cool this and transfer to a clean jar. You may start to use this right away. This Adgai makes a great combo with curd rice. It lasts up to 2 weeks in the fridge. While serving, add a little water too if the pickle is too thick. For more details, refer to our website kkaj.in.